We are here at the annual convention in Tampa. I'm representing the Member Services Committee, and we're here with a first-time attendee, Karl from AllSafe Global. Karl, you came to the newcomers event last night, the GAWDA Guides. Can you tell us about your experience with that?
Yeah, it was fantastic. There's plenty of vendors that I've worked with over the last 6 years, and it was really great to see them for the first time in person, shake their hands, see their faces, especially for a lot of the customers that we've worked with too throughout the years. It's been really informative and really great to just meet, all these great faces that I've worked with for a long time.
Perfect. Well, this is the second time that we've run the GAWDA Guides program. This year we did it a little different. We had a little bingo. You got to meet all of the committees. Was there any committee that really caught your eye?
Yeah, the Young Professionals Committee. I'm actually going to the event tomorrow at the aquarium, so I'm really excited to meet everyone there and really understand more about and learn and grow in GAWDA and the industry. So
perfect. Well, you come here, you see all the hugs, you see all the high fives. It's like a family. Your first impressions of the show as a whole?
Completely fantastic. I think everyone down here has done a really good job, especially with the mentoring that I've been seeing going on, making sure that everyone who's new has someone they can rely on to introduce them to new people, and very high-level people too at these other companies for this professional development, right? You're talking with the CEOs of these companies, and they're introducing you through their whole chain of employees and through other companies as well. So that's a completely invaluable experience that you can only really get here.
Yeah, absolutely. So can you tell us a little bit more about what you do for AllSafe?
Yeah, so I'm the buyer. So we have 4 facilities all across the United States. I purchase all of our high pressure products, kegs, industrial cylinder gases, aluminum cylinders, valves are all product lines that we carry, and we also do recertification as well. So any customers who have a cylinder that's out of test that needs to get redone, we work with them to make sure that it's like a like new product.
Absolutely. Well, there you have it. If you've got a product to sell, Karl's the guy you're selling it to. Karl, we hope you have a great experience. Thank you so much for joining us, bud.
Yeah, have a good day.
All right.